Hi, now I'm about to explain the setting menu of the coffee vending machine, touchscreen based coffee vending machine that we have developed. See, there are basically this is a regular selection menu which you already explained. There are two small icons on the top. One is the admin and one is the rinse. Rinse is basically for cleaning. When you press rinse, the particular rinsing cycle programmed into the machine happens, and so whatever number of cleaning cycles etc is programmed will go through, and then it will come back to the menu. Admin is the place where you have to go in for settings. You can log in two different modes. One is the operator mode, one is technician mode. If you go into operator mode, some of the icons will be disabled, like changing the recipes etc will not be available for pro operator, and technician will be able to access all the menus, most of the menus. Now here there is a password, so what is the password? So I have entered the password and we are going into it. Now you can see there are several menu options. This is basically cleaning and maintenance section, where you have a schedule of cleaning, service schedule, cleaning manual. Manual is inbuilt. You can have a look at the manual. Sanitize and product refill. You have logs and reports, and you have the settings, that is the basically the recipes and temperature settings and price settings, customization settings. All these things are available. These are mechanical specifications. It depends on the mechanical specifications of the machines, whipper speed and load assignment etc. Date and time settings. Product refill quantity is basically to monitor certain products availability, and password settings. Calibration is basically for temperature calibration as well as milk sensor calibration. These three menus are special menus, and even for the technician it comes only with a special password, because these are the machine dependent items, and mostly our customer would like to do the settings at factory level and would not like the field technicians to adjust them. So these are coming under a special password. And then there is a inbuilt request for service and request raise etc. Now we will just try to see some of the menu items. For example, recipe settings. For all these drinks, you can choose the recipes. Actually 30 beverages can be in the bank, and for each beverage you can have a name and different recipes. It is recommended that all the recipes and the bank the assignment of different drinks to different beverages is done at the server level, because all the sales data goes to the server, and unless you have a uniform drinks, so for example beverage 1 is ristretto and beverage 2 is espresso. Maybe there is a machine in the field which does not have espresso, maybe there's a machine in the field does not have ristretto, maybe the sequence is different. But if always beverage 1 is ristretto and beverage 2 is espresso, then the data collected at the server level across all machines becomes meaningful. So we recommend that these name settings and recipe settings are done at the server level, and only small modifications to be done at the field level. So of course it is not a limiting factor, it is possible to do here also, but we would recommend it that way. So this is the Americano settings. So these are the different settings that you can do. For every whipper there is a whipper and water and liquid milk. There is a delay time and on time. It is also possible to have a break time and break count. That means suppose one particular product is of a very short time, then you can break it into several parts so that the distribution is very uniform. And this is a demo where you can actually this particular load alone will be operated for the particular settings, so that you can test whether the setting is all right. So once you do all the settings, you simply save it. So this way the recipes can be done. Key map is again a very interesting feature. You have so many buttons, and the different, all these 30 beverages that are there will be appearing here, and you can choose anyone to come in this first position. The button is the position and this is the drink. You are assigning it. Once you change it like this, then it automatically changes in the menu. I can show you now. So it's purging steam. So you can see that the first drink has become cafe latte from ristretto. Whatever changes I had done there, the corresponding icon has been replaced, the corresponding name has been replaced. All these things will happen. Okay, thank you.